Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is x plus 5 into x plus 7 into x minus 2 into x minus 4 equals 360. You have to find the value of x. To solve this question, we will first rearrange this equation. So we will rearrange this as, we know that 5 minus 2 is 3 and the 7 minus 4 is 3. So we will combine these factors. 5 minus 2 and 7 minus 4 both are equals 3. That's why we will combine as, first we take x plus 5 and x minus 2. Write them in the same bracket, then write x plus 7 and the x minus 4. Now we will solve this by multiplying x into x minus 2 and plus 5 into x minus 2. Then in this side, x is multiplied by x minus 4 and the plus 7 is multiplied by x minus 4. Then x into x will be x square, then minus 2x plus 5x minus 10. In this side we have x square, x into 4 is minus 4x plus 7 into x is 7x plus minus minus, and 7 into 4 is 28. Now this will become x square, 5x minus 2x is plus 3x minus 10, and this is x square, 7x minus 4x is plus 3x minus 28. And all these equals 360. Write this must. Now we will make a substitution here as x plus 3x equals y. So it will become y minus 10 into y minus 28, and that equals 360. Now y is multiplied first by y minus 28 and minus 10 is multiplied by y minus 28, and that equals 360. Now we get y into y is y square minus 28y minus 10y minus minus will be plus 280 minus 360 equals 0. Now we get the equation as y square minus 38y minus 80 equals 0, because 360 plus 280 will be 0. Now we will solve this further here. That we get y square minus 38y minus 80 equals 0. Now we will make the factors of 80 such that when they are subtracted gives 38. So the factors of 80 are 40 and 2, 40y and plus 2y minus 80 equals 0. Now we will take y as common from this. So remaining is y minus 40, and plus 2 is common from this, so we get y minus 40. So the factors are y minus 40 and the y plus 2. Now we get two factors, y minus 40 equals 0 or y plus 2 equals 0. Now y equals x square plus 3x minus 40 equals 0. Now we will make the factors of this, or x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Now we will solve this further here as in the two parts. X square plus 3x minus 40 equals 0, or the other one is x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So we will write the factors of 40 such that when they are subtracted give 3. So the factors of 40 are x square plus 5x and minus 5x and plus 8x minus 40 equals 0. Now we will take x as common from this, so remaining is x minus 5 plus 8 is common, so x minus 5 equals 0. Now the factors are x plus 8, x minus 5. So x plus 8 equals 0 and the x minus 5 equals 0. It means that x equals minus 8 and x equal plus 5. These are the values. Now we will make the factors of 2 such that when they are added gives 3. So x is common, remaining is x plus 2. Plus 1 is common, so remaining is x plus 2. So the factors are x plus 1 and x plus 2. It means that x plus 1 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. X equals minus 1 and x equals minus 2. Now we will write the final answer of this. So solution will be x1 equals minus 8, x2 equals 5, x3 equals minus 1 and x4 equals minus 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.